Other statistics. This is really interesting. So by 2015, cloud spending is going to cross more than 180 billion. Out of that, $14 billion are just going to be spent on cloud computing in the United States alone. That's huge. The third one really excites me, which I've been preaching for the last couple of years. 44% annual growth in public cloud versus only 8.9% for on-site. So people are buying less and less on-premise servers and moving more and more stuff to the cloud, whether it's email, whether it's the ERP system, or their file servers, things like that. 82% reportedly saved money by moving to the cloud. So this is also encouraging for us. If you continue on, you'll see 14% of companies downsize their IT after cloud adoption. This can be a little bit touchy in larger organizations, especially with large IT departments, but it's almost inevitable. When you don't have any workloads sitting on your local servers, then there's less the local IT has to do. So what happens is IT becomes more strategic now. Instead of having the network administrators taking care of the servers and the blue screens and all that, they can be more strategic. They can look into business intelligence and things like that. How can they make sense of the data that the company already has, right? That's the new thing. That's what the CEOs want, so they can make better decisions. 80% of cloud adopters saw improvement in this within 6 months of moving to the cloud. So why 6 months? Because there's always a learning curve. There's a slight learning curve. You know, some people adopt faster than others, but there's always improvements when you go to the cloud. You know, and you can read the next. So I think this is pretty interesting. The last I checked, more than 50% businesses in the United States are using some sort of cloud these days. So whether it's a cloud service or something in the cloud. So that's how prevalent cloud is. We all are using cloud, whether we like it or not. We use Netflix, that's cloud. You know, all that is cloud. So people don't realize it, but it's everywhere. You can't escape it. So.